Hi there. My name is Ashley Mears. I'm an associate professor of sociology at Boston University. I'll be teaching a summer workshop at Boston College this summer. It's called Workshop in Interview Methods. So interview methodology is sitting down face to face with somebody in a structured interview where you're trying to elicit talk and meanings and discourses from another person. It's an incredibly powerful tool in qualitative social science. It's very widely used in sociology, my own field, also psychology, also business and marketing research, and increasingly also public health research. So what an interview gets you, sitting down face to face with somebody and asking them questions, what this gets you over a survey, for instance, is access to how people talk, the words, the language, the sentiments that they offer as they explain accounts of how their social world operates. It gets you those subjective experiences and the terms that people use to describe their subjective experiences. It gets you the unspoken assumptions about how somebody's social world operates, mental accounting, meaning-making processes. In my own work, I've used qualitative methodology, in particular interview methods, while researching the fashion modeling industry. I conducted interviews with fashion models, with modeling agents, with clients, in order to excavate the meanings that people attribute when they look at models and try to figure out what's valuable in the fashion modeling market. I've used interviews as well to understand the meanings that people attribute to conspicuous consumption in the case of high-end nightclubs that offer bottle service. When we delve into the methodology in the workshop, I really approach it as a hands-on guide to doing interviews. So first we'll look at the background of the method, the theoretical assumptions that are built into the method, some key debates in the field from both qualitative and quantitative scholars. And then we'll really delve into the nuts and bolts of interview methodology, how to construct a research question, how to construct an interview guide, how to sample a population. We'll also look at the practicalities of conducting an interview, and then also data analysis and writing up results, what to do with an interview transcript and how to transform that into theory. It's very hands-on, so I emphasize students' own projects. I also emphasize my own projects as examples of things that I'm currently working on and working through. So if you have a project that you're interested in exploring interview methodology, or if you're conducting interviews already, this is perfect. We'll take that and run with it and workshop your idea with all of these different aspects that we run through for the methodology. It's also very hands-on. We construct together an interview questionnaire and we practice interviewing one another for a short while in the class. We also practice those really small and subtle but crucial stages of conducting an interview, like how to memorize an interview guide, how to take notes without breaking rapport, how to build rapport with somebody. I mean, sociologists doing qualitative research, we're in the business of trying to build relationships with people that are productive to generate data. And that's quite a skill, so we'll practice that. We will also practice data analysis and do some hands-on examples of how to transform a transcript of an interview into data, how to code. We'll look at some examples of some software, qualitative coding software, namely NVivo. And I think one of the favorite parts of the workshop for me is we take an interview transcript of an interview I've recently conducted, and we work together to try to code it and pull out what are central themes, how to build connections across those themes within a piece of data, how to generate theory. That to me is always the most exciting part of a research project, and so we'll do that in the class. So I look forward to meeting you. I hope that we get a chance to workshop together on interview methodology. Thanks.